Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of general insurance. As you may recall, there are two primary types of insurance: life insurance and general insurance. We've already covered life insurance in a previous video, so if you haven't had the chance to watch it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's focus on general insurance and everything you need to know about it. What exactly is general insurance? Let's start by gaining a clear understanding of this type of insurance. General insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for non-life risks. It's designed to protect individuals and businesses against financial losses that may result from unexpected events such as accidents, theft, natural disasters, and other similar incidents. In short, general insurance provides protection against unexpected and unforeseen risks that can cause financial losses. It covers everything from your car to your home, your business to your health, and everything in between. When you purchase general insurance, you pay a premium to the insurance company, and in exchange, the insurance company agrees to pay for any covered losses or damages that you may incur. The specific terms and conditions of the insurance policy will vary depending on the type of coverage you select, the level of protection you need, and the insurance company you choose to work with. General insurance includes various types of insurance such as auto, home, health, travel, business, and property insurance. These types of insurance protect you from different risks such as accidents, thefts, natural disasters, and other unexpected events. It's important to choose the right insurance that fits your specific needs, such as the type of asset you want to insure, the level of protection you require, and the coverage terms and conditions that work best for you. Let's start with auto insurance. Auto insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for your vehicle against damages or losses that may occur due to accidents, theft, or other unforeseen events. It typically includes liability coverage, which covers damages to other vehicles or property in case you are found responsible for an accident, and comprehensive coverage, which covers damages to your own vehicle. Home insurance, also known as homeowners insurance, provides coverage for your home and its contents against damages or losses that may occur due to natural disasters, theft, or other unforeseen events. It typically covers damages to the structure of your home, as well as personal belongings inside the home. Health insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for medical expenses, including hospitalization, surgery, and prescription drugs. It can help you pay for medical bills and provide financial protection in case of a serious illness or injury. Travel insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for unexpected events that may occur while you're traveling, such as flight cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. It can help you recover costs related to these events and provide peace of mind while traveling. Business insurance provides coverage for your business against risks such as property damage, liability claims, and business interruptions. It can help protect your business from financial losses due to unforeseen events and provide financial security to keep your business running smoothly. Property insurance covers physical assets such as buildings, equipment, and inventory against damages or losses due to events such as fires, theft, or natural disasters. It can help you recover costs related to these events and provide financial protection for your assets. General insurance is a crucial part of managing risks in life. Each type of general insurance policy provides protection against different types of risks, so it's important to choose the right one that fits your specific needs. By understanding the different types of general insurance policies available, you can make an informed decision and ensure that you have the right level of protection for yourself, your assets, and your business. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, business owner, or traveler, it's important to review your policy and make sure you have the coverage you need. So, remember to choose the right coverage for your needs and review your policy regularly to ensure that you're protected against unforeseen events. We hope you found this video informative and exciting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.